The guest of this discourse, great scholar and critic poet, Dr. Avnish ji, Dr. Madhubala Saxena ji, Head of Department of English, Dr. Sudhir ji, Shubhra ji, Richa ji, Payal और the faculty members, Mujammil Sahab, all the students. More and more have been discussed about this particular poem, 2 Minute Silence. Various dimensions have already been discussed among us. There is no need to say some authentic version about this poem. Authentic statement has already been done by Dr. Avnish ji. I am not a scholar of literature, but a student of sociology. It's all philosophy of this poem falls under the purview of the sociology. Sudhir ji has already been said about various dimensions, about culture, about tradition, old and traditional and new culture, about nature, so many type of symbols, we have already discussed the philosophy of this poem. There is something, if we are discussing the philosophy of this poem, it means there is something strong in this poem. Poem, particular, the symbol of 2 Minute Silence, speaks about the conflict between the traditional and the modern culture. Every time we feel society is always passing through it, this conflict. Society is not static. When we talk about culture, it is the quality of the culture. When it jumps from one generation to another, it includes their own experience. It means the next culture is refined culture. You can see your old grandparents. You can differentiate between both of the generation. And every time there is less and less dialogue is being done between both of the generation. It means the generation gap is being reduced among us. Poem talks about the message which is given by this poem. It means that we are keeping silence, 2 minute silence, for paying our homage to the departed soul. But we are also keeping silence on the problems of the society, whether it is concerned with the illiteracy, whether it is concerned with the unemployment, women exploitation. There are so many types of it. It demands every time a discourse. Every time demands a discourse. But you are keeping silence every time. When you walk from home to the road, when you sit in a vehicle, every time there is discourse demanding every time. Why the youth are violating the rules on the roads? Why we are not in the control of our old generation? We are not keeping proper dialogue between both of the generations. We are keeping silence every time. Why we are silent? Once we keep silence on the person, that is departed soul, and the same person, when he passes through suffering, we don't speak about a single word about it. There is conflict between. Every time remains a conflict between both of the situations. You have to think about it. Poet says about it. There are two meanings. It may be negative, it may be positive. But he throws light. He says about it. You have to think about it. If you are human, if you are a sensitive person, you have to think about both of these things. What is your duty? Old traditions doesn't want just to leave all the traditions. The whole modern culture doesn't say about the whole as a whole. It basically demands a synthesis. It is not reversal syndrome. We have to come forward. We have not lived our old traditions completely. We have to keep pace with the modern culture. We have to honor to the others. The poet demands about to have a sensitivity towards society, whether it is social structure, whether it is religious structure, whether it is natural structure. You have to sensitize yourself. But we are keeping silence every time. How many persons are raising the issue about, speaking about the Pakistan-Peshawar problem? We are keeping so many type of persons are sensitive, but don't think about. Only very few institutions are coming forward just to raise voice against Pakistan, talking about the bad terrorism, good terrorism, how things are about terrorism and terrorism. But we are keeping silence. Every time the situation demands a discourse about the whole situation, there are two words are coming together. There is modern word, there is traditional word. You have to keep pace between both of the situations. This type of discourse demands about to raise your voice, to think about all the things. So I congratulate to the faculty members, all the students who presented their papers, their viewpoint, who dared to say about. Poet is not here, but his poem is speaking itself about raising so many types of voices from different angles. So you have to think about it. You have not think about this particular poem, so many types of poems which say about the society and societal problems. So the poet see the things very long way. जिसको कालजयी हम प्रेमचंद को कहते हैं. You have also think. You have to start the discourse regularly. It is not one-day discourse. It is not some hours discourse. So I congratulate all the faculty members who designed this particular poem and put and throw away in your court. Now it is your duty, our duty, to think about, to raise every time, always the voice against the societal evils, societal problems. You have not kept silence. You may keep silence for the departing soul, but you have not kept silence about the issue which demands discussion, which demands discourse. So thank you very much. Really, I am very much grateful. You have provided me some moments just to say something. And I feel the other faculty members also follow this culture just to create, just to discuss the other issues from different angles. And I also feel that the culture will follow the same manner as it is followed by the Department of English. And we will meet you again कि मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर है हम भी, इसी बोर्ड पर फिर मुलाकात होगी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।